Hey guys, do you want to know about top 15 ways to make money without a job? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about top 15 ways to make money without a job. Welcome to the Game Xmas YouTube channel, where we teach you the game of making money online. Before we get started, please make sure you watch the video until the end, so you can find the best ways to make money, even if you do not have a 9-to-5 job. And also subscribe with the notification bell turned on, so you can get notified anytime we upload a new video. You don't need a job to earn income. Regardless of age, profession, or education, there are ways to make money without a job in the traditional sense if a 9-to-5 doesn't suit your needs. Some people want to make extra cash by working flexible side gigs or freelance work. Others may be able to capitalize on their profitable hobbies. So whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, or unemployed, we've got you covered with alternative ways to make money. Number 15. Rent out items. Earn money with items you already own by renting them out to others. You can rent out clothes, cars, homes, spare bedrooms, furniture, instruments, storage, tech equipment, and other items. Suppose you decide to rent a specific item, like camera gear or your home. In that case, particular sites cater to one type of rental. A rental platform like KitSplit would be great for those renting out camera gear, while Vrbo could be best for someone renting their home. If you have multiple items for rent, use a general website like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. Number 14. Tutor. If you're knowledgeable on a specific subject, tutoring can be a great way to make money without a traditional job. You can explore the different approaches and learn how to start a tutoring business. Options include through a franchise or a school, or teaching in your home. According to Indeed, the average salary for a tutor is about $25 per hour in the US. Number 13. Become a rideshare driver. Ridesharing has become a form of travel and income for many around the globe. If you have the time in your schedule and love interacting with people, consider signing up through a rideshare company. Watch more on how to become an Uber or Lyft driver. Also, research smaller rideshare companies like Via. The pay for rideshare drivers differs by location. To compare rideshare drivers' salaries by area, visit Indeed.com. Similarly, you can make money delivering food as an Uber Eats or DoorDash driver. Number 12. Create a podcast. Starting a podcast can be a fun way of making money, seeing as it's a billion-dollar industry. Podcasts have approximately 80 million listeners, with listenership increasing 17% since 2020, according to Edison Research. Number 11. Freelance. If you've got a skill, talent, or interest, such as writing, graphic design, or coding, you can be a freelancer. Companies and individuals hire freelancers to contract with them for a specific amount of time. Freelancers can use Fiverr and Upwork, online marketplaces for freelance services, to advertise their work, or create a personal website and market your services on social media, via email and word of mouth. The average hourly pay of a freelancer is about $21, according to Indeed.com. Keep in mind that freelancer salaries can vary and fluctuate depending on industry, clientele, schedule, economic market, and more. Number 10. Pet sit. Many people are willing to pay top dollar to ensure that their pets are well cared for when they're not around. To get started, sign up with a pet sitting service such as Rover or Fetch. Or you can begin watching pets in your neighborhood and grow a business through referrals. The average income for a pet sitter is about $12 per hour, according to Indeed.com. Number 9. Self-photography. Taking well-crafted photos doesn't just have to be for social media. Turn your passion, hobby, or talent for photography into income by selling your images using stock photography websites and freelance marketplaces like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Upwork, and Fiverr. You can also use your portfolio to gain clients without the use of third-party websites. If you don't have access to a camera, consider using your phone and investing in editing software like Adobe Photoshop. Number 8. Game on Twitch. If you love playing video games, make money by playing video games on Twitch, the world's leading live stream platform. The video game industry has surged over the past few years, especially in 2020. The success and earnings that gamers accrue will vary. Still, there is a lot of money to be made in the billion-dollar industry. Create an account and begin live streaming. Turn it into a full-time job or just use it to bring in extra income. Number 7. Start a blog. If you've ever wanted to start a blog, there are countless ways to make money from it. Once you begin writing quality content, you can use advertising, affiliate marketing, courses, ebooks, and more to profit from your blog. It's likely you'll have to build your audience significantly before earning an income from blogging. But it could all be worth it. As a blogger, you create your own schedule and content and choose who you want to work with when your blog monetizes. Number 6. Write online reviews. Many companies that sell a product or service take consumer feedback very seriously and use feedback to improve business operations. These companies will pay users for original and thoughtful reviews of products and services. Third-party survey and research websites that are equipped to handle consumer insights are commonly used to distribute surveys and reviews and pay the reviewers. These websites include Inbox Dollars and Survey Junkie. Certain companies, like Amazon, choose to use third-party websites and also conduct their own reviews directly through their website. Some websites pay for reviews and surveys with cash or a check up front. Other sites have users generate points per survey completed and redeem those points for cash, checks, gift cards, and prizes. Number 5. House Is It? Want to get paid to watch over a house and do some light cleaning? Try your hand at house sitting. Residents often seek housekeepers to take care of their property while they are away, and in return provide compensation and free accommodations. House sitting can involve keeping a house clean and organized, taking care of pets, watering plants, and more. House sitting can allow you to create flexible hours, choose your own clients, and set your own rates. Choose to house sit in your neighborhood or anywhere in the world, sometimes with free travel accommodations. Check out websites like housesitter.com and nomador.com to get started. They will connect you with residents all over the world looking for house sitters. Though some websites require annual membership fees, the experience could be worth it. Nomador has a free membership and a paid membership for $99 per year. The paid membership grants users unlimited access to applications, house sitting listings, and messaging. Number 4. Sell online. Many platforms exist where users can sell stuff online. The first step is deciding what to sell. Is there a collection of vintage clothes in the back of your closet or old electronics and furniture that are no longer in use? Next comes determining the best site to use for selling. Read up on sites like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. Number 3. Transcribe audio and video. Transcriptionists convert audio and video recordings into written documentation. If you are very detail-oriented, this may be a gig for you. There are usually typing tests and recommended typing speeds, but there is always room to increase your speed with consistent practice. The average pay for a transcriptionist is about $17 per hour, according to Indeed.com. Number 2. Become a virtual assistant. Do you have a knack for organizing? Individuals, groups, and businesses often need administrative support. A virtual assistant helps businesses with day-to-day tasks like email management, bookkeeping, and social media from a remote location. Virtual assistant work can provide flexibility at a low startup cost to you. The average pay in 2021 for virtual assistants in the United States is about $19 per hour, according to Indeed.com in a mid-year update. Number 1. Participate in paid market research. Paid market research allows companies to pay participants to express their opinion on everyday items, services, and brands covering such disparate topics as beauty products and political stances. Market research includes taking surveys for money, participating in focus groups, and taking part in medical research. Medical research usually entails being paid to give an opinion on medicine or medical treatments, or to help test medicine and treatments from basic research to clinical trials and studies. Make sure to understand what it can mean for your health if you decide to participate in medical research. Every opportunity differs in the amount of pay you receive. Some pay participants with a point system, an hourly rate, or gift cards. Make sure you stay watching our next related video to discover more amazing videos. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comments box below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.